Om Sai Ram. Today, I am so happy to receive such a lovely and sincere appreciation from the beautiful artist, respected Mrs. Sri Priya Rajkumar, one of the great artists from the South Indian film industry. Priyaji is known for her versatile acting, powerful performances, and graceful screen presence. Let us hear her voice.
Om Sai Ram. Heard Mrs. Bindu Ravi's songs on Baba. It was very touching. May Baba bless her, and I wish her all the best, and she should continue singing more on the Divine Baba, and I hope everyone enjoys it as much as I did. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chechi, for the kind words and support. It means a lot to me. Thank you, Rajkumarji. Above all, thanks to Shirdi Baba.
Shri Shirdi Sai Namam Sumadhuram Shri Shirdi Sai Rupam Jagamulona Velugu Nimbe Tejam Sai Janamulona Okadu Aina Devam Sai Manasalona Manji Pinju Margam Sai Madhuram Shri Shirdi Sai Namam Sumadhuram Shri Shirdi Sai Rupam. Ninnu chusi logam chesukundi punyam ayuvichu mandram sai nee namam kolichinamu nityam namminamu satyam Shubhame Sai Madhuram Shri Shirdi Sai Namam Sumadhuram Shri Shirdi Sai Rupam. Ramudena nuve Krishnudena nuve Guruve Sai